Need 3 reasons on why you should be talking to your customers about ZPI's alternative to OEM maintenance? Gartner states that 71% of large enterprises are already using third-party maintenance for support. 80% of North American VARs have an active relationship with at least one TPM provider, and there are currently over 10 million data center devices alone under third-party maintenance contracts. Why you should choose ZPI? We offer lower cost and better support. We're 100% channel 100% of the time, selling exclusively through distribution and channel partners, never competing with you for your own customers. We offer flexible service levels that range from 8 to 5 next business day to 7 by 24 by 4. 24/7 access to experienced senior technical engineers is standard. Automated sales tools to provide instant access to quotes and monetization of your customers' existing assets. We support end-of-life hardware restrictions limited by the OEMs, enabling you to redeploy budgets of your customers into new and critically important technologies and solutions. You get direct access to level 3 engineers, over 200 stocking locations and 400,000 parts globally, and we reach over 140 countries. Have an opportunity you'd like to discuss? Reach out to us or your distribution account rep today.